We are very glad you decided to spend some of your valuable time to learn more about our brand new YSD LaserONE entry-level fiber laser cutting machine. Having in-house your own laser cutting capability provides better control of lead time, greater flexibility, in-design freedom, and increased profitability. Some companies consider investment in their own laser cutting machine cannot justify the investment in the price tag and feature functionality of a feature-rich laser cutting machine. This may be linked to the parts being manufactured have a low price point, meaning that investment in a machine with a too high price tag would mean that the direct cost per part is uncompetitive. As a customer, you have several options. You can continue to outsource with all the factors that outsourcing gives, such as unpredictable lead time, you are not in direct control of the process, and reduced flexibility. Or you can buy a low price point machine from a, most likely, Chinese manufacturer with concerns over manufacturing quality and used components, robustness, reliability, application knowledge of the supplier, and a lack of service network and backup. Or purchase a LaserONE that has been designed and developed by the LVD Group to specifically address the needs of this sector of the laser cutting marketplace. Now, reliable fiber laser technology is within easy reach of any sheet metal working shop with a YSD LaserONE. How did we develop the LaserONE? Think out of the box, step away from stuck habits. We engineered a light and simple basic structure, capable of coping with the machine dynamics. A clever design to reduce the assembly time drastically, a perfect balance of investment, cost versus functionality. Why LaserONE? Quality cutting, dependable performance at an affordable price. A practical fiber laser that meets a wide range of processing needs. A no-frill approach to the balance of price and functionality. A machine that is backed by LVD's worldwide service and support network. LaserONE offers the key benefits of fiber laser cutting technology, but eliminates the extras that increase machine cost and complexity. If you would like to increase control and flexibility by bringing laser cutting in-house, or have considered a step up to fiber laser but couldn't justify the investment, LaserONE is for you. LaserONE expands your production capacity without compromising your budget. Quality and reliability. LaserONE delivers the benefit of fiber laser cutting in a practical and cost-effective design built by LVD's global manufacturing network to LVD specification using field-proven, cost-effective components selected for their quality and reliability. LaserONE is a machine that is engineered, sold and serviced by the LVD Group. As a result, you can be confident of cutting accuracy and machine dependability. The YSD brand is one of the brands owned and used by one of LVD joint venture companies. YSD machines represent value for money and a no-frills approach to the balance of price point and machine functionality. Is the LaserONE the right tool for your company? Will this laser cover your application needs? Is this no-frills fiber laser the right fit for your company? The return on investment of an entry-level fiber laser. These questions will be followed by a short machine presentation and a live demo on our brand new YSD LaserONE fiber laser. LaserONE with 2 or 4 kilowatt laser power will cover largely all materials and more expensive machines would cut with the same power. Most cutting speeds for the same power level are also comparable. It's the laser power that will determine the cutting speed. The Siemens drive system will cope with the movement in between contours. Not all customers need to cut 3 shifts or even 24/7. Not all customers need a fully automated system. Not all customers can justify to spend 400,000 euro or more. Few customers actually need all the bells and whistles. Having your own fiber laser will increase your flexibility. It will give you extra design freedom and lead time control. The return of investment of an entry-level fiber laser. Keep in mind the running cost per hour of a fiber laser running one shift a day is mainly defined by the investment cost. Taking in account that a 4 kilowatt LaserONE is 1/3 less expensive compared to our runner, the Phoenix, will result in a huge difference in the running cost per hour. Here an example how we calculate the running cost for a Phoenix. Starting from an investment with a depreciation time of 5 years, the running cost per hour of this 4 kilowatt fiber laser running one shift a day in mild steel is for 75% in case of nitrogen cutting or 90% in case of oxygen cutting, defined by the investment cost. With an investment cost that is 1/3 lower, the fixed charges of the LaserONE are 18 euro per hour lower compared to the Phoenix. With the same running cost per hour as a regular 4 kilowatt fiber laser, the LaserONE would remain competitive even if your workload would only cover 65% of a shift. As you notice, although entry-level, the new LaserONE has a nice and solid appearance. LaserONE has a top accessibility. Since the roof is part of the door, you can reach any point on the cutting table or even walk in to allow comfortable cleaning or do maintenance inside. The left door gives access to the first 1.5 meter, the second door to the next 1.5 meter. Both doors also give access to the scrap bins below. Just like on our high-end fiber laser, we stick to the well-known Siemens 840D control. Together with the Siemens motors and servo drives, they will contribute to the performance and overall reliability of the LaserONE. We use a clever shuttle table design without any hydraulics to lift the table. The green table drives in and out on one level. The red table moves by means of a slope over the green table and back down. Table change takes barely 30 seconds. Like this, both tables have the same height in the machine so that no long Z-axis is needed in order not to compromise machine stability. On the LaserONE, we make use of the latest generation Precitech light cutter cutting head with automatic focal point adjustment. LaserONE is equipped with a custom-made Rikers 2 or 4 kilowatt laser source. LaserONE is standard supported by a closed-circuit chiller unit, and the machine is available with an optional filter unit to clean the extracted fumes from the cutting process before entering back in the workshop. With automation, the efficiency of the LaserONE can be increased because the machine will not be idle waiting for the next sheet. Material change is quick and the machine can even run unmanned.